So much more like when the time you whispered in my ear. There was heaven in my heart. I remember when you said, saan si Mga Salvador? You'll be here forever. Saan si Dimash? Then you left without even saying what you feel. I was hurt. Kaya mo yan. Really want me to leave. Chow, kala mo. Yesterday, and I pray that you would stay. Masa ba ito? One, two, three, and I was afraid. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting feeling. I have learned to live my life. Maybe I just dream of you tonight, and into my dream you come and touch me once again. I just keep on dreaming. I just keep on dreaming till my heart aches. Till my heart aches. The end. Palakpakan naman po natin. Viva Salvador! Ate, thank you. Ito na. Hello po. Mahal na mahal ko yan si Mga Salvador. Nag-concert na ako sa Manila. Kahit Dubai, sinundan pa ako. Meron kasi siyang ginagawang project dito. Tapos alam ko pong sobrang pagod na pagod siya, pero nanood pa rin siya ng concert. Kaya kahit graduation, kasal, birthday niya, nandun ako palagi, kumakanta ako. Kasi hindi kayang bayaran ng salapi ang suporta nito ni Mga Salvador.